How to find blank cells in Excel using Pandas. I'm new to Pandas, so I don't know if this is a dumb question to ask or not. How can I make an if statement detect a blank cell and run a code if true? X. I tried using if cell is none, but I'm not getting a response from my if statement. I'm using an array to store the Pandas column. I know that there's probably a better way to do this, but like I said, I'm new to this. So let's say my Excel sheet looks like this. My code. When I run this, I expect to get a response in the console, but don't get any. I tried array equals equals and array equals equals last name 1 to see if I would get anything, but still no response. If there is a simpler way to do this, that would be appreciated too.
If your cell in Excel is totally empty, then print the array variable will output a nan. So if it contains nan, then check. If the above one is not working, then there might be spaces, so try.
Based on the comments, Op wants to drop rows if there's empty cell, i.e. nan and pandas. Using modified version from Op sample data, note I added last row where column has empty cell, 2. Using df.dropna will drop any row if any corresponding column has empty cell. Using df.dropna, subset sadface b, will drop only if column b has empty cell.
Try using isnan function from NumPy library.
Listen for answer.